Hello children, welcome to Mass Teaching Studio. This is a continuation part of factorization chapter. And in the last video we have completed exercise 1 and now we will learn the new topic and also 7.2. Before going to start the exercise 7.2, we will discuss one small topic. Okay? And what is the topic? Factorizing the quadratic trinomial. So trinomial means three terms. Okay. So there are two methods of solving or factorizing the trinomial. The first method is a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square method. What is the a plus b and a minus b? When first and last terms are perfect squares, then we will apply these two methods. If these two are not perfect square, then we will split the middle term method. We will solve the factorization. Okay. So now we can start the exercise 17.2. What are these methods where we have to apply? I will explain in the exercise part. Okay. So first one is factorize 9x square plus 24x plus 16. I just said first and last. If they are perfect square, then we have to apply either this or this method. So now here we can see that first and last terms are perfect square. Okay, so root 9x square is equal to 3x, root 16 is equal 4. Okay, so we can write this one as 9x square, this we can take as a, this we can treat as b. Okay, 9x square plus 24x plus 16 is equal to, now this can be written as 3x whole square plus 2 into a, b plus b is what? 4. 4 square. Okay, what is A? A is 3x. What is B? B is 4. Now this we can write as 3x plus 4 whole square. Okay, this is the method. Next now, one more question. 4x square minus 20x plus 25. Here also, first one is 4x square. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of x square is x. This we can take as a. Can assume as a. And square root of 25 is equal 5, which we can assume as b. Okay. Now we can apply this a plus b whole square formula only. Now 4x square minus 20x plus 25 is equal to 4x. How can we write? 2x whole square. This is minus. Okay. Minus 2 into a b plus what is b? 5. 5 whole square. Okay. Now this is a 2x. This is b 5. So 2x minus 5 whole square. Okay, this is the method of when the first and last terms are perfect square, we can apply these methods. Okay, third, fourth, fifth, you can complete. Now sixth question, x to the power of 4 plus 4x square y square plus 4y to the power of 4. Okay, here now x to the power 4 means x square whole square 4x square y square plus 2y square whole square, which means what I have done is x to the power of 4 is equal to x square, which we can assume as a. Square root of 4y to the power of 4 we can assume as b. Okay, so x square whole square plus 2 into a b plus 2y square whole square, x square and y square. So this we can write as x square plus y square 2y square whole square. That's all. Because first one and last one are again perfect square method. Okay. Yeah, 10th question. 144x to the power of 4 z square minus 48 y cube x square z plus 4y to the power of 6. Let us check. I just Okay, 144 x to the power of 4 z square, 12 x square and z. Okay, the last term is 4y to the power of 6 is equal to y cube. This is a, this is b. Okay, now we can go with the a plus b whole square formula. So this I can write as 12 x square z whole square plus 2ab plus 2y cube whole square. So a is what? 12 x square z, b is what? 2y cube. Therefore 12 x square z plus 2y cube whole square is the answer. Okay children. 11th question. 24x square minus 120xy plus 150y square. Okay children, here we can make them perfect square by taking 6 as common. Okay, what is the 6 4s are 6x 4s are 24x square, 6 2s are and 0xy plus 6 2s are 12, 6 5s are 30 y square. Okay, 6 will be taken as common as it is, and now inside the terms can be written as 2x whole square minus 2 into ab plus 5y whole square. So this is a, this is b. So now 2x and 5y. Okay, 6 and this is minus. So 2x minus 5y whole square. Okay, this answer is 6 of 2x minus 5y whole square. Yeah, 15th question. 6x cube y plus 24x square y square plus 24y cube x. Okay, this is also not a perfect square. This is also not a perfect square. But children, splitting the middle term also we can do, but it is a long method, so we can go with the taking common and making them perfect square of the first and last term. So suppose here x is there, here x square is there, here x cube is there. Okay, we need perfect square, and in all the terms y is also there, so we'll go with the 6xy as common. Okay, 6xy as common, then here only x square will be left. Here 6 4s are 24, so xy is taken out, so xy will be left. Okay, now 6 4s are again here 4, 1 y and x has been taken out, so a y square will be left. Now inside the bracket we can go with the perfect square. X as whole square plus 2 into a b plus 4y square we can write as 2y whole square. Okay, now this is A, this is B. You write x is here as 2y here. Okay, next 6xy of x plus 2y whole square is the answer. This is 18th question children. In between few problems are left. You try to solve them. And this is the 18th question. Here we have 4 terms instead of 3. Trinomial means 3, no? But we have here 4 terms. And also x, y, z, xy. So we need xy for the perfect square method. So we will rearrange the question. 5x square plus 10xy plus 5y square minus 5z square. Okay, now here again I can take 5 as common. X square plus 2xy plus y square minus 5z square. Okay, and the whole 5 we can take it as common. So here inside x plus y whole square minus z square. Then this can be written as 5 of x plus y minus z x plus y plus z. I just took this one as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then a plus b whole square directly I have taken here. Okay, this is the required answer. When the 4 terms are there, you write accordingly xy terms, and the middle term xy we required. Z square is only minus at the end of the equation. Then this becomes again difference of 2 squares. that a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b form, I have just mentioned it. Yeah, this is the last question of first bit. 28th question, 49x to the power of 4 plus 9y square. Again, we have a term which is unlike 49z square. So we need xy term in between, okay, as a middle term. So rearranging 49x to the power of 4 minus 42x square y plus 9y square minus 49z square. Okay, this is perfect square, this is also perfect square. So I can make the group of these two. So we will leave like that only because here negative. Now here this I can write as 7x2 into AB. No, we need AB. So plus 9y square we can write as 3y whole square. Okay, minus 49z square. Now this is A, this is B. So this I can write as 2A and B, 3y. Okay, now this is minus. So 7x square minus 3y whole square minus 7z, 7z whole square. Now this is again difference of two squares. So now we can write 7x square minus 3y minus 7z, one term, 7x square minus 3y plus 7z. Okay.